guys, just wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing video. If you guys haven't already heard of 21090 Brewing, so the number 2, the word 10, the number 90 Brewing. They're out of Maryland. You guys got to check out their channel. Really cool guys. They do custom brewing and all kinds of cool stuff. They do IPAs, you name it. They're awesome. You got to go check out their channel. Again, 21090 Brewing. This is the very first thing I've ever received, other than Super Chat, I've ever received from another channel. So I'm super excited to open it today. I got started so I wouldn't cut my hand off, and I'm using the little kid scissors to keep it real. You don't let old people play with scissors. So anyway, not real scissors, so I'm going to use the little kid safety ones. Anyhow, let's get started. I got it open so far this far. And I told these guys, mentioned to them that my wife absolutely loves beer. And so they decided to send me a little sample of what they have. So I'm super excited to open this up. I wish she was here to see it, but maybe we'll get a reaction video from her down the road. And it showed up, guys. Todd wanted to say thank you and let you know that it showed up all in one piece. And I might have to put my old man glasses on to read the label, but you can see it's a beautiful bottle of beer, professionally capped and labeled. So she's going to be super excited. And let me get my old man glasses on and I can tell you what it is. So it says 21090 Brewing. This is their Amarillo. It says Haze 4 horses. I like that. Hazy IPA single hop series 7.2. Wow, I might get her liquored up tonight. Thanks, guys. That's awesome. And I even wanted to show you, they got a little decorative, even a little decorative deal here on the cap. So check that out. I think that's hops. All right, there's one of them. And oh, we got more than I thought. This is awesome. So here's the second one. We'll see what this one is, if it's the same. Oh, this is a different one. So that's exciting. Alrighty, let's see. This has a stock black cap, and it says Oatmeal Chocolate Stout. So there you go, Oatmeal Chocolate Stout, 7.0. Oh yeah, we're on the path for getting this taken care of. 21090 Brewing, they are the men. There's more than one guy involved in that operation. Super nice guys. You gotta check out their channel, real professionally done, super fun guys. And they sent me a soda. So I'm just kidding. I think this is beer. Yeah, this is beer this is the old man beer probably. They know I spill, so they gave it to me in a can to keep it safe. So this is Citra Cannon IPA, so definitely a beer. Shows them shooting hops, and that is hops on top of that bottle then. Coming out the end of the cannon. Super cool. Look at that. Check out all their cool artwork on there. Really professionally done. Just a pop top can. And this looks like something that it says Heavy Seas Beer out of Baltimore, Maryland. And it says to go to visit their brewery at heavyseasbeer.com. And Heavy Seas, fearless, bold, and independent. 6.0 alcohol by volume. And this is looks like it's hsbeer.com. They want you to go check out. And again, 21090 Brewing. It's the number 2, the word 10, and the number 90 Brewing on YouTube. Y'all got to check them out. That is a heck of a nice gift, guys. Thank you. And even with the protective scissors, the old man didn't tear himself up. And now it's time to get the wife liquored up when she gets home. Anyway, thanks again, 21090 Brewing. Y'all are awesome. You guys go check them out. They're so cool. Thanks, brothers. Have a good day.